Okay, we're here with Maritime Reporter TV. I'm Joe Keefe. I'm the editor of Marine News Magazine. We're here with Joe Hudspeth. He's the Vice President of Business Development at All American Marine, and he's been kind enough to take a little bit of time out at the show here at the International Workboat Show today and spend some time with us. Joe, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Joe. Thanks for having me.
Great. How's the show going for you, and how's the traffic at the booth, more importantly?
So this year's an interesting year. Obviously, there's a little bit of a downtick in the soft oil field market, but we're seeing good traffic at the show today. We're here to meet with a bunch of potential customers and some of our existing customers, and the show is a great forum to make that happen.
Super. All right, well, let's get right to it then. I want you to give us your assessment of the past year and 2016 and where we're headed next in 2017 and what you see coming down the pike.
Well, this past year has actually been phenomenal for us. Our shipyard happens to be located in the Northwest, and we are having our busiest year ever. We are completely isolated and insulated from the downtick in the offshore market, and we're seeing a tremendous increase coming from the passenger vessel segment. And we are quoting more and more passenger vessels, so much so that we're at the point right now where we're actually having to push people back or bypass their projects altogether.
That's good to hear, and I'm hearing that from a lot of other people as well. So I think that's a good omen for 2017, wouldn't you think?
Absolutely. I mean, we've seen this pent-up demand, and I think a lot of people are looking at the favorable economy right now and realizing that people are going to be ready to invest in passenger vessels. And so we're happy to talk to those customers and get those designs in the pipeline. And I think 2017, 2018, and 2019 will be extremely strong.
Okay, great. Well, let's just look back at 2016 real quickly. What was your most exciting project, in your opinion, for 2016?
So for us, we had the opportunity to build a couple of passenger ferries for the National Park Service. National Park Service is not known for being in the passenger vessel side, but as part of the oil spill cleanup in the Gulf area, they are trying to promote tourism. And so we have the opportunity to build two ferries that will serve the Gulf Islands National Park out of Pensacola, Florida. And we're really excited to have that opportunity.
Terrific. All right, let's talk a little bit some of the partnerships you have in the industry. You got a unique partnership in your particular yard with one design shop. Tell us how it works, who they are, and why it works for you and your clients.
Sure. We primarily specialize in building aluminum catamarans. However, we've diversified lately into building aluminum monohulls, which is where we got our roots. We've built over 100 aluminum monohulls for the fishing industry and some for the passenger vessel industry. And we have formed a partnership with Technicraft Design out of New Zealand, Auckland, New Zealand. And we have the exclusive rights to build their design for catamarans in North America. And that's been a phenomenal partnership with us, especially with their unique technology. Some of their designs feature hydrofoil assist technology, which displaces a third of the weight of the boat. So you can use a third less horsepower and burn a third less fuel. And that's just been a tremendous cost savings for our operators. Many of our customers save so much in fuel costs that they come right back to us and order a second or third vessel.
How many of those hulls have you put out? Do you have a count on that?
I think we're 40-something right now on those hulls, and then 50 altogether with Technicraft.
It's a solid partnership then. It looks like it's going to go forward even stronger from there, yeah?
Absolutely, and Technicraft is designing our large-scale monohulls for the passenger vessel industry as well, where we just signed a contract for a 500-passenger monohull, and we're in the process of working on a 600-passenger monohull.
Good stuff. So tell us what the market should know about it, All American Marine that they probably don't know.
Well, we're celebrating our 30th anniversary next year, and it just goes to show you that there are shipyards who know what they're doing and can stick around and survive, and we're proud to have the legacy that we have, and we're pleased to meet with customers from coast to coast. Many people think that we're just a West Coast shipyard, but we build boats from Alaska and Hawaii all the way to New Hampshire and Vermont, so that's pretty unique.
Very good. Awesome. All right, Joe, I appreciate you stopping by. I know you're busy and you want to get back to the booth and sell a few more boats. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it.